take the standard wood frame system that we're used to in the 2- and 3-story building and take it up to the 4- to 6-story building, it actually creates quite a few challenges. And one of those types of challenges are moisture-related challenges. So because we have more wind and more rain, we actually have to take better care in the design of our buildings. Particularly construction moisture and the drying out of that wood construction moisture. We do this by allowing drying. So we can only do so much to avoid our wood getting wet during construction, but we can design our assemblies to allow drying. And this is where we will often use vapor permeable stone wool insulation. We can design assemblies so that they will be able to dry out. With the right combination of vapor permeable barriers for air and water control and vapor permeable insulation for thermal control, we can actually tolerate quite a bit of moisture in our wood frame systems and still allow drying out. So why do we care so much about construction moisture? Well, at the top of the list, of course, is occupant health and well-being. So wood products, if they get too wet for too long, grow mold. And hence, we want to make sure that that mold doesn't get into the indoor environment. Stone wool, of course, itself as a product is water repellent. And of course, the product made of rocks won't grow mold because it is made of totally inorganic materials. It also means that we can use stone wool in below-grade applications, rather demanding situations where the insulation will be routinely exposed to moisture. And so this combination of its moisture properties of being repellent and tolerant and being able to dry out quickly while not being mold food means that stone wool can be a big part of the solution to the risks of moisture in mid-rise wood frame construction.